This video is all about the Afrikaans word dik. Dik. In Afrikaans, dik is the go-to word for the English thick. However, in Afrikaans, dik is not always used in the same context that you'll use the word thick in English. The most common use for the word dik in Afrikaans is to refer to somebody that is overweight, somebody that's fat. But it is extremely rude to do so. My kop is dik, or my kop voel dik. And that means my head is stuffy or my head feels stuffy. That's the way we describe the feeling of a pressure headache or when your head sort of just feels stuffy. Deur dik en dun. Deur dik en dun. This is a saying that means through thick and thin. Dik wees vir iemand. Dik wees vir iemand. This is when you say when you're fed up with someone. Die pap dik aanmaak. Die pap dik aanmaak. You use this phrase when you want to say that somebody is laying it on thick. Somebody is exaggerating greatly. Jou dik eet. Jou dik eet. To gorge yourself. Jou stem dik maak. Jou stem dik maak. To raise your voice or to speak sternly. Dik van die lag wees. Dik van die lag wees. To choke with laughter. Dik vriende or dik pelle. This means very close friends. Hy is dikbek or hy is dikmond, and it means he is sulking. Dikvellig. Dikvellig. This is an adjective and it means thick-skinned. Dikwels. Dikwels. Often.